these magnificent trees, these famous Judean dates that the psalmists write about, disappeared completely. And that's why it's so exciting to bring them back today. This year, she produced around 800 dates. So you can see she's very happy where she is.
Sarah sent me these seeds, and then she said, they're from Masada. So I said, oh, that's nice. And then she said, try to sprout them. So I said, what? How old are they? She says, 2,000 years old. So I said, I can't sprout those. 3 months into the project, I happened to say to Sarah, oh, by the way, one of your dates sprouted. And she was over the moon. She said, what? So I said, yeah, one of them sprouted. I did not realize the significance of what had happened.
Nature has tricks up its sleeves, and it can let its seeds stay dormant for thousands of years, and we think it's gone extinct, and boom, it takes a pair of golden hands like Elaine's to bring it back to life. So for me, it's a beacon. It's a symbol of hope.